just doing it myself.
Sorry?
I'm doing it myself. Did you get nice photo over there?
I think so.
How about that?
How about the smile?
Take one picture. Honey, I'm really scared with that bridge which we are going to climb. Huh?
Huh?
And all this water is salt.
Yeah. Atlantic Ocean.
It's too big, but I'm just still surprised with these rocks. I don't understand. It's possible to dive here.
Yeah, I'm sure.
There is shark also.
No. No sharks.
I want to test it to see if it's salt
Please.
or.
It's not probably the cleanest that's here, but.
But
oh.
look down there. It's so clean over there.
Yeah, well, it looks clean.
On that
It's
point.
very clear. You're right.
Okay, let's go on. Let's continue. To continue. What are you doing? Why are you blinking your eyes?
I'm not blinking my eyes. I'm waiting for you to stop the video.